Alrighty, Mike, here's your 363 small block Ford. Gives you crispness combination. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Got a rock manifold, cook fuel carburetor. Got the rear fan on it. Dirt block. The March blacked out front end. Going to make a run. See what it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 431 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 466. So that's pretty awesome. Small block Ford, really flat through there. That's the air gap on this combination. Really runs good down on the bottom. Still makes 487 horsepower, rated 500. Front end's 15, so it still runs good up there. Good and flat. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card. It is full of technical information. In crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading all that. Have a great day.